Here is how we can use emojis on the iPad. So at first, we need to make sure that we have the Emoji Keyboard added on our device. So we need to find settings like this and go to the general section of our settings page. And from those, I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I want you to tap on the keyboard. So the keyboard is what we click on, and at the top we have another menu for keyboards. So we're gonna click it again, and then now this is the list of all of the different languages which you currently have added, like different keyboards on your iPad. You might have one, you might have two, you might have a whole list. And this is basically the English language, a different third-party keyboard app, French language, right, Spanish, and so on. And the point is that one of these keyboards should be emoji, right? So you can see I have the Emoji Keyboard added in here, but it might have happened that you have deleted it or you simply don't have it. In this case, if you don't have emoji in this list, make sure you click on the add a new keyboard below, and emoji is probably going to be suggested to you like it is for me, or you can look up for it, like you can literally type in emoji and make sure that Emoji Keyboard is added on your iPad, like in here. So what I can do is actually I can even grab it and move it close to the English, which I use the most. And now that the setup is complete, we can go to any place where we type, for example, messages like this. I'm in the conversation as usual, and I need to switch from the English keyboard to Emoji Keyboard. And I can do it by holding down on the globe icon in the bottom left corner. So you can see I hold it down on it like this, and the same list which I just showed you before in the settings is now presented to me. So there was the first English, which I currently use, and I can switch to emoji like this. And now I can add any emoji I want, right? I can even look up the specific one. So I can, for example, type in a laugh, right? Or whatever. And now I'm typing in the emojis and I'm back to the normal keyboard. So you can either hold it down on the globe to switch there, or you can just tap it once and it's going to go through the list of keyboards. So it went from English to emoji, and now it's going to go to a different one. You know, this is the third party one, and so on. So you get my point. That's how you can switch between them. If you have just English and emoji, it's going to be quicker, but that's essentially it. So I hope it helps. I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be, but I just wanted to make sure everything is clear. So if you have more questions or thoughts, leave them below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.